Yesterday, we were you cannot say no today. So we have a lot in common. It is also order from different countries. Also from Kenya. Where is Kenya?
Yeah, that is correct. This is Kenya.
Okay. So the issue is when Iran is they don't collapse. So you put on the phone. There are few leaders who quite wish to later and ask. One of them is very expressive in Amharic. And this plan ends up in campus. So we've been accessing the sea before. Now, other than saying no, we can't access. Here, we have hundreds of products of yes. In African Union, we have working language. Working language that we borrowed from UK, from France, from different Western countries. There is no single African language that we use as working language. My recommendation was Kiswahili and Amharic, which is there, because Amharic is the only language in Africa who has done it so well. But what makes it unique? We have translated Quran in Amharic before 70 years, 80 years. Normally, they don't translate Quran. You know, tasfir is only just by word. This is special formation. This place with a unique system. He has his own word literature, word letters, but that is covered as whole. So.
Down the road, for a period of 10 seconds.